I'm Sonia, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this yummy cucumber salad that everybody's eating this summer. It's so easy and I know you're going to love it. I'm starting off with just some cucumbers. You can use English or Persian. We had English, so we cut them into more manageable pieces. Here is how you have to do it. You need to use chopsticks. Your knife doesn't go all the way through, and you need to hold it at a 45-degree angle. And don't flip it over. You're just going to turn them. I'm going to show you 2 times how to do it. Actually, my husband did it. He helped me out that night because his knife skills are way better than mine, and it took me a little bit. But it is so cool when you can pull them apart. It makes the salad so much more fun. He's going to show us one more time. Again, you need to hold your knife 45 degree. Do not flip it over, just turn it, use a chopstick so it doesn't go all the way through. This is how you cut this cucumber and make it so cool. I just love this salad. It is so pretty. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and then you're going to want to mix it around your bowl and just let it sit there. This is going to draw all of the moisture out from the cucumbers. You're going to want to let it sit there about 20 minutes. Then you're going to quickly give them a rinse so that there's not salt just sitting on there. Now we're going to start out. It's a 1/4 cup with 2 tablespoons, which is really 6 tablespoons. However you want to measure it, that's what it is. And this is for about 2 pounds of cucumbers. You could also cut this recipe in half. You're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of this fried chili in oil. This is my favorite brand. You can probably buy it at your local Asian store. I'm not sure if Amazon has it yet. I think they do. I know a lot of grocery stores are trying to carry it just because it's become so popular and everybody is eating it on everything this year. So, and they also have a few variations, and I think they're calling them slightly something different, but it's basically the same thing. And it is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then we're gonna do 2 green onions. I know some of this seems like, well, that's a lot of soy sauce or that's a lot of hot chili oil, but I'm telling you, this is for 2 pounds of cucumbers, and it is gonna make it taste amazing. After you put in your 2 onions, you're gonna go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Give it a good stir. This does keep overnight, so if you can't finish it all in one sitting, I like to arrange my cucumbers on a plate, but you could also just throw them in a bowl, however you want to do it. I just poured them over and tried to arrange it so it would make it obviously look gorgeous, so everybody would want to dig in and give it a try. I hope you give it a try. It is so good. Okay, let's give this a try. You guys ready? That's so good, you guys. I have been eating this all the time. I cannot tell you how good it is. And it's not too salty. It's not too hot. I know you're thinking with the 3 tablespoons of fried chili and oils can be too hot. It's not. It's just flavorful. It's so full of flavor. I've been eating it all the time. You need to try this. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.